How to fix something went wrong. Please try again when logging in into your Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix another login error on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is make sure that you're connected to the internet. Now, sometimes you might be connected to the internet, but your connection might not be stable, so due to which your login is not getting worked. So, in that case, you can head over to your Wi Fi connections and then you can simply disconnect for once and then connect back again. Make sure that you're connected to a really strong connection, and after that, try to log in into your account. After you do that, what you can do is you can make sure that you are using your correct email and password, and after that try to log in and check if that fixes your problem. If that does not fix your problem, what you can do is you can simply close your Roblox and then try to use your mobile hotspot as well. So you can try to use your mobile hotspot. Simply disconnect from your Wi-Fi and try to use your mobile hotspot. Other than that, what else you can do is you can open up your Roblox using your VPN. You can use whichever VPN that you feel is easier or more familiar with. So you can use whichever VPN that you want. There are a lot of VPNs available, such as Urban VPN, Proton, and more and more. So you can use any VPN that you want and then simply log in into your account. And doing that should fix your issue, guys. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.